Right now we're gonna see how we can actually start writing Java code. Once we have Java installed in our system uh, and also VS Code, uh, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new folder. I have it created here. I will create a new file in that folder and call it hello world.java. And again, the .java is important here because we're telling the system that this is a file where we write Java code. Once we have this defined, again we're gonna create our class because any Java code has to live within some sort of a class. So I will say class, then I will name the class after the name of my file here, and that's a really good practice because that way we keep track of um, what what classes are in my files. Then once I created that, I'm gonna add my main function, and you can think of the main function as uh, the starting point of your application. And you do this by saying public static void main args. And there is really not an easy way to explain this right now, but you could just take it for granted that this has to be there somewhere in a Java application to start the execution of the app. And as we advance through the course, some of those terms would really make a lot of sense to us. But as of now, just memorize it as it is. Um, Once we have that, we can start putting the code for our app inside of that function. So the code that I have for you guys is a very simple line of code that says system.out.println. Then you give it hello world. And if you guys can guess, yep, this just prints this string on the screen. And where we got this function from is simply when you guys downloaded the Java from this website. It came with these things. These are the name of other files, other classes where Java code is written. So we're importing or we are using the println or the print line function from one of those classes. And again, if you don't have Java installed, it's gonna yell at you because there's these files or this code does not exist on your system yet. So yeah, if I save my file and go to my terminal here, and again you get that by going to terminal, then new terminal, and if I said Java, then the name of my file, uh, as you guys can guess, I get hello world on the screen.